Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be sharing all of the new Scrap Diva Designs dies and stamps for March. Here is Erica's website, and here is the social media, so you can follow along the hashtag. I didn't do I can't remember if I did an unboxing or not, but so this is going to be a kind of an unboxing showing everything, and then also a few of the projects I've made. Some I may have already shown. Well, I know a couple I already showed, but some of them I'm not, the other ones I'm not sure of. So it's been very hectic around here lately. Had some family issues going on. It's been, my mind is not here. So anyway, let me go ahead and share with you guys all the die sets, and then I'll show you what I've made so far with them. So the first one for this month is the A2 card box add-on flowers. So this is an add-on for the A2 card box that was released previously, and it came with so this one's flowers. The other one was, I think, like leaves, kind of like I don't even know how to describe it. I can't remember, but anyway, it's very cute. So you can use it, you know, pair it with that again, and you know, and get yourself a different look. Or you can use it. I think I already shared this, but I made a card out of it. Just a happy Easter card, and I just, you know, layered up pattern paper behind and put some of the Easter words on top, and it turned out really pretty. So anyway, this is a card, not a box. And I believe I already shared this. This is the little pocket. I've only used it on here so far inside my card, but so there's that. Next one is called 3D Egg Carrier. This is so super cute. I've seen so many cute things with it. That, I think, yeah, this was the first one that I played with, and I'm sure that I shared this one with you guys. So this is such a fun box. Such a fun set. Got your cute little, you know, bunny feet, your bunny body and head, and it comes with eggs and carrots and a little piece of like chicken wire piece. It's really cute. So you can fill it with all kinds of stuff. I just put some eggs in mine just to show you, but you know, fill it up with candy, eggs, goodies. You know, you could even, you know, like do a swap, put a bunch of, you know, stuff to send out in here. Super cute. And like I mentioned in my first one, you could always just use this box by itself too, because all you'd have to do is just cut along this line and you'd have a really neat shaped box. That would be different, you know, if you didn't want to use it, you know, for Easter with the bunny on it. So that's that. We also have Easter Words 1. This one, I think I've cut out a couple on here. You get one, I think you get 8 words. So we have egg, chocolate, East. Let me pull this out so I can see. I want to make sure I tell you the right words. Okay, chocolate, egg, Easter, spring, happy, garden, hunt, and candy. So that's the 8 words that you get in the Easter set 1. Okay, and there's also an Easter set 2. And in this set, I'll tell you the words that you get. In this set, you get Jesus, peeps, Christ, family, celebrate, flowers, greetings. So lots of good words in both, and lots of ones that can be paired together between the 2 sets. So really nice sets. Okay, let me just set that down there like that. Okay, so the next one is A2 pocket. So this is the one I just showed you that was inside the card that I made. So you can make a pocket. You don't have to put this decorative piece in there if you don't want to. that's this green piece that's got the beautiful design. You don't have to use that if you don't want. You could just make it, you know, a regular, just like a pocket, 2 layers if you want. So, but I think that's super cute, so I would probably always use it. So lots of neat things you can do with that too. Next up is the ice cream bunny. This is so cute. It's darling. I haven't made this one yet, but I have seen quite a few of the members do that. So you get 2 different sizes. You get this cute little, you know, the bunny head, and then it's got the ice cream, and then the cone. It's got the face that comes with it and stuff. And ears, layers for the ears. It's super cute. So there's that. And then I haven't played with this one yet either. This is called Tulip Shaker Mini Album. So really cute, similar to the one from before. The one before had kind of like some leaves that went out this way, and it didn't have like the separation in here, in this layering part of the tulip. So it's super cute. It's a little bit larger than the other one too. So there's that one. This one is called the butterfly set. This is so cute. I have made this one. There are 4 different sizes, and you get the, you know, the different size bodies and stuff too. Super cute. I will show you those in a minute. You get, here's the 3D vintage storage book. I love this. So many cute things, and so great for swaps and gifting, you know, Happy Mail and stuff. Very, very cute. It has a lot of parts, but, you know, again, a lot of them are layering parts. Okay. It goes together fairly quickly. You get the words to, I think it's Storybook, with a shadow piece. So it's super cute. I made that one, so I'll show you that one here in a minute. And then I believe I've shared this one with you already, or at least the startings of mine. The Carrot Mini Album. Okay. I shared with you, I started mine. I made in the front a shaker, and I haven't put it together or decorated it yet. But so it can be used as an album, or as you can make a card out of it. You can, I'm sure, make a box out of it. You could, I mean, if you wanted to go around all those things, but it makes a really cute embellishment, and you know, layer some stuff on top. You could put it on layout, like a 12 by 12 layout. You could, you know, put it on Happy Mail. It's just super cute. Really, really cute. So that is that. Again, that's called the Carrot Mini Album. Okay, this is the 3D Easter display box. Didn't I show this already? I showed you the product. Did I call another die by the wrong name? I wouldn't put it past me right now. I did. I did. I can't think straight. Anyway, this is this one. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is this one that I shared with you already. Okay, this is called the 3D Easter display box. Did I put these in the wrong thing? No, that's right. Okay. All right, I just happened to grab the wrong one and shared it with you. Okay, so that was the one that goes with this. Oh, goodness. Okay, next is the 3D egg carrier, which is super cute too. And this one is super quick and easy to put together. I think I might have shared this on Instagram, but it's super cute. It has an insert piece that holds eggs and stuff, which I'll show you right here. So this is just clipped together with this. Okay, and inside here are the eggs. This is available on pre-order right now. There was a little issue with the die set, so it's on pre-order until she gets the correct ones in. But it's still workable the way it is, but yeah, it's really cute. These are a couple of eggs that come apart. I had in my stash for my granddaughter, and I just thought those were super cute in there. And so these are a couple of the bigger eggs that fit down in there. The insert that it has pieces that makes a little, this little rounded piece right here in the hexagon. It makes a little smaller piece that kind of so it wouldn't be open down here. It goes down, but it would be enclosed. And so you can put smaller, you know, the smaller eggs and that kind of stuff in there. And you wouldn't be able to see through to the bottom. So I just went ahead and made it and then stuck my big ones in there. You can put, you know, acetate and stuff on the window. I left mine open because mine were big eggs and weren't going to fall out anyway. I've seen people put, you can cover the sides if you want to. You don't have to make a carrier at all. You can just leave this, or like a carrier, an egg thing at all. You can just leave this part right here out and then just have this, you know, this basically these 3 parts that you could put whatever in and have a carrier like that. You know, just cute little things, cute little cups. You could put, you know, like coffee cup things in there, all kinds of stuff. So it's really a fun set, and like I said, it is a very easy die to put together. This cute little bow on top here is so darling, and it's, let me put this, it has like 4 pieces to it, so you can layer it up. So you get this piece, the base piece right here, and then this piece right here, and then this piece right here. So it can give you some depth. I didn't pop mine, I didn't put any dimension in between my 2 layers, but you could have, and it would have looked, you know, had even more depth. So, and for this one, I didn't cover the inside, but I definitely could have. I just didn't for this one. So this is super cute. I've seen tons of fun little makings on this one also. So let me put this back on here so I don't lose my little ribbon. So super cute. And I just decorate it real simple. I used one of these oval, the Love nesting set to decorate it, and a little bow from my stash. It's a Scrap Diva Designs, but I can't remember which set it's from. Cute little bunny with a cute little pom-pom butt there that I ordered off of Temu. And yeah, super quick and easy. So I love that, love that, love that, love that. Okay, and then so that's all the die sets. And then she also, so there's 11 die sets this month and 2 stamp sets. So here's the stamp set. This one is called Easter Stamp Set 2025. Love this one. There are 12 sentiments. They're all kind of in a squarish type shape, so they'll fit like in a square. You know, if you're going to do a die cut, it will fit in a square area. It'll fit in a, you know, like in a circle also. It will fit, you know, in an oval type shape. So I love this. Really cute set. Polymer, photopolymer stamps, so very nice quality. Stamped perfect. I didn't do anything to them. I just pulled it out and put it in the ink and stamped it, and it stamped wonderfully. So yeah, very nice. And then the last one is this one called Coffee Mug Barcodes, which is super cute. So it's got these 9 different coffee mugs with different sayings. Okay. Hot chocolate, morning drugs, have one on me, coffee break, treat yourself, love you, a latte, a hug and a mug, coffee and craft, and thanks a latte. And then it also comes with a die, the one die back here to cut the shape out. So you can, you know, stamp it and then cut it out, or you can just stamp it on something. You can do it both ways. So very nice, like that too. I haven't played with that one yet. Okay, so I'm not sure if I shared these with you or not yet, but so I've showed you the one I put on the front of that, the egg carrier, but I just used, like I said, the Love nesting set from last month and cut out the bottom piece, and then I used the other one when you just the plain circle, and I popped that plain oval I popped that up on foam, and then I stamped out each one of these sayings from that stamp set, and then I just put a bow on top, and then I decorated each one of them pretty similar, but a little different on each one. Some have cabochons, some have enamel dots. This is the eraser. Here's some of these little flowers from Temu. This is some ribbon that I bought. I just trimmed off a few pieces of the egg and, you know, put it on the bottom. I think they turned out so cute. So I'm ready. This can be as an embellishment, like I already showed you. You can make a tag out of it. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So I love these. So there's that. Okay, and then let me show you this last one that I made, which was, this is the one with all of the pieces, which is called 3D Vintage Storybook. You guys are going to want this one. It's super fun. Okay, so here's my sample that I have made so far. So here's my cute little book. And like I said, it does come with storybook that you could like put on the binding if you wanted to, or, you know, on the front, whatever. Excuse me. So I just have mine decorated up with some pieces from the collection I'm using on this, which is, it's kind of a combination of Hobby Easter and Bunnies and Blooms, I think. Oh, Fresh Air from Simple Stories. They're all, it's kind of, actually it's a combination of like 3 sets. And they're all real similar, so a lot of the things really match well. So anyway, that's kind of a combination of those decorated here. Okay, and then you open up the book, and here is the lovely box. Look how cute this is. I love it. It is so cute. I have a few butterflies in mind that I made. That's the butterfly set that I shared with you a second ago. So here's a couple of the smallest ones. I just cut out the 2 smallest sizes is all I've done so far. So here's a couple of the first ones. I have 3 layers that I cut out. The top and the bottom are in the pattern paper, the same pattern paper, and then the middle I cut out of some pink vellum. And then I have foam in between to give it some depth, and I just put these cute little flowers I had in my stash on top. I cut the little bodies out of some corrugated paper, so it's got the lines across, so it looks really cute. Kind of looks like a body. So anyway, that's that turquoise color. Really cute. And then here's a couple of the second from the smallest. So super cute. I just put a little bow on these guys. So you can fit quite a bit down here. I just kind of thought I'd throw those in there just to, so I can share them with you. But this box is so cute. And then it's just goes back together. So isn't that lovely? I think it's so cute. Be really pretty with a, you know, dangle and stuff off the side. You know, and you could gift this to somebody, use it for to send stuff in Happy Mail and in swaps. So cute. Very cute. Here's my little label on the back. So very nice. Love it, love it, love it. So anyway, those are my shares for now. That is all the dies that were available. I'm sorry this is so late, and I'm sorry that I'm kind of all over the place and not thinking straight, but yeah, you know how it is, I'm sure. All right, guys, you guys take care. If you have any questions, leave them for me below. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will link Erica's shop below along with my affiliate link. And then also I'll list my discount code below so that if you guys decide to pick anything up, you can save some money. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.